Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to download Netflix on your laptop. Now let's begin. Simply open the Microsoft Store application on your laptop device. It's gonna look something like this. Right here at the top of this application, you will find something like search. Simply click on it. And from here type Netflix. Once everything's all done, simply hit on enter. Now these are the search results. Right here is Netflix. Simply click on it. You can scroll down to look at all the features and facilities provided, but right now we simply want to install. Right here on the left side section, you will find the install button right here. Simply click on it. Now the application is being downloaded and installed on your laptop device. As you can see, Netflix has been successfully installed. Let's simply open it. Well guys, as you can see, we have successfully installed Netflix on our laptop device. That's it for the video. That's how we install Netflix on our laptop device. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.